Welcome to another episode of the Operator's Playbook, where we cut through the noise and get to the heart of what makes businesses tick or crumble. Today, we're diving into a truth that's as powerful as it is uncomfortable. Most businesses are one agent dashboard away from 10 times leverage or total chaos. Let's start by reframing what this really means. Many of you have probably been seduced by the promise of AI and automation. You've invested in dashboards, hoping they would magically untangle the web of your operations. But here's the hard truth: a dashboard is just a mirror. It reflects back the systems, or lack thereof, that you've built. If your underlying processes are flawed, all you're doing is amplifying those flaws. The allure of shiny tools often blinds us to the real issue: structure. It's not about adding more features or chasing the latest tech trend. It's about building a robust infrastructure that can handle the weight of your business operations. Without this, you're essentially stacking a house of cards. Let's talk about three system level truths that will either elevate your operations or expose their fragility. First, leverage is not about convenience. It's about creating systems that multiply your efforts without multiplying your headaches. Too often, businesses mistake convenience for efficiency. They automate tasks without understanding the dependencies that hold everything together. This is a recipe for disaster. Second, integration trumps feature lists. The most powerful tools are useless if they can't communicate with each other. I've seen too many operators drowning in a sea of disconnected apps, each promising to be the silver bullet. The real magic happens when these tools are integrated seamlessly into your workflows, creating a cohesive system that supports your team, not burdens them. Third, sequencing matters more than enthusiasm. Enthusiasm can get you started, but only a well-sequenced plan will get you across the finish line. You can't just throw automation at a problem and hope it sticks. You need to understand the sequence of operations and how each step impacts the next. This is where many operators get it wrong. They focus on the end result without mapping out the journey. Let's ground this in a real business example. Imagine a sales team using a new CRM system. The promise is clear: better customer insights, streamlined communications, and increased sales. But if the CRM isn't integrated with your existing systems, it becomes a silo. Sales reps waste time on manual data entry, communication breaks down, and the very tool meant to boost efficiency becomes a bottleneck. Now, consider the back-end workflows. You might have automated inventory management, but if your order processing system isn't aligned, you're setting yourself up for a logistical nightmare. Orders get delayed, customer satisfaction plummets, and your team is stuck in firefighting mode. The cause and effect logic here is simple. Poorly designed systems lead to broken handoffs, fragile automations, and mental load that drains your team's energy. The resentment from being the human middleware is real, and it's exhausting. So, what's the strategic conclusion? It's time to stop being the hero who carries everything in their head. Offload that mental burden into systems designed to scale with you. This doesn't mean throwing more tech at the problem. It means architecting a foundation that supports growth without constant oversight. As we wrap up, remember this: many operators aren't failing because they lack intelligence or effort. They're exhausted from carrying in their head what should live inside systems. It's time to recalibrate, rethink, and rebuild with intention. Thank you for tuning in to the Operator's Playbook. If this episode resonated with you, take a moment to reflect on your own systems. Are they set up for leverage, or are they a ticking time bomb? Until next time, keep challenging assumptions and building with clarity.